Friday, 16th of June, about lunchtime. Dealing with the aftermath of the storm that hit Longview, Texas. Got TV, got internet. I got all my heavy-duty extension cords strung all over the house from the gen set. Walk around back. Main thing is the freezer, refrigerator. TV and internet is just a bonus. That's my little generator. I actually got that with credit card points years ago, and it hasn't run in 4 years according to my wife, and it cranked up on the second pull. Uses 4 gallons of gasoline under, it varies with the load of course, but under its current load it uses 4 gallons of gas in 6 hours. So thankfully I have a gen set. We'll step out the front. I'll show you what the problem is. I was talking to my wife. I've been in this house 15 years maybe, and during those 15 years, because of hurricanes, near-miss tornadoes, etc., we've lost power for a somewhat extended length of time, about 6 times. And I don't think it's worth the $20,000 to buy a natural gas powered permanent generator. That's just me. Up the hill there, that dark brown house is a lawyer. She's real nice. She just installed a rigid mount generator, and yeah, we got broken poles, so that's going to be a problem. The road's blocked off in the front of the house because of all the power lines going across the street. So we got, there's one broken pole, second broken pole, third broken pole, fourth one is canted over about 15 degrees. Then on down the way there's a tree blocking the road, and another pole is canted over about 15 degrees. So major damage. It's a rather large tree that fell over. Those houses are new built, and it's quite the mess. And the mailman is delivering mail. Half of Longview is without power. The next county to the north of us is called Upshur County. 91% of their customers is without power. It's Upshur Rural Electric, and they service 3 counties. And my rural property is serviced by Upshur Rural, so I doubt I have power up there. Yeah, it's just a royal mess. This is going to be a days-long event. It's not going to come back online anytime soon. But like I said, you know, thankfully I've got a gen set. I was talking to Gerda. After all this passes, we might start looking around on Craigslist and find a bigger generator set. So we had 2. The one we have, it's good enough. But we got tree limbs down all over the yard, but I've got a yard man. He'll come by and pick them up sooner or later. No real damage. I had to go up to my little building last night to get my gas can and funnel. Lots of limbs down up there. My old factory, they had a lot of trees on their lot and a lot of tree damage. Is what it is. But yeah, it's going to be a days-long event because of the damage to the power poles. And the city of Longview will come and cut that tree up sooner or later. Just don't know when. FedEx is trying to get out and deliver. So I don't know how he's going to do. He can't go the direction he needs to go. I got a lot of debris on my roof. Have to get my ladder out, get up there and clean that off. I don't see any roof damage. If we had any hail, we didn't hear it. I think it was just ultra strong winds. So it's not horrendous. Could have been a hell of a lot worse. Several houses here in Longview, trees fell on their house. So a lot of folks have more troubles than we have. It's a process. It's going to take a while. I go up the farm and grab some chainsaws and help cut these trees. Problem is they got power lines on the road. You don't know when they're going to re-energize. Supposedly the SWEPCO will map all the damaged power poles and lines on the ground before they re-energize certain areas. Supposedly. I've seen them mess up before. So, this is getting pretty long. Let me get it posted. That's about all for this one. Thank you.